Okay, welcome back, guys. Good morning to everybody. Hope everybody's doing great, or good evening, good afternoon. We're back again live to analyze, trade, and learn. Currently in a second buy for gold here, and this is a trade that was posted in the VIP group. The first TP already got hit a few minutes ago. But since the price returned back to the buy zone again, you can enter the trade again, pretty much, right? And the entry is anywhere between 26.46 and 26.49. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna analyze. I'll start off by, we can take a look at gold. I can see that gold really dumped heavily about few hours ago. It actually dumped pretty heavily, and yeah, I checked the data that came out, and I noticed that the data actually came out positive for the US dollar. So that's why gold came out. Gold actually dumped because the data came out positive, and I predicted this yesterday on yesterday's live, last night's live. I told you guys, because DXY was basically bullish, there was a high chance that it was going to continue being bullish. So if that's the case, then that means gold is going to dump, right? So now the news coming out made it even more powerful, so gold just had to dump. It broke above 26.63, but then after that it just reversed back down. So let's take a look at it. Okay, let's take a look at it here. 1 second. All right, so let's take a look at it. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is gold here on the 1 hour time frame. First of all, let's just acknowledge the fact that on this 1 hour time frame we have a double bottom printed here. So this is something that could push the price back up to revisit the resistance of 26.61. Okay, so this is what happened here. We can see this was yesterday night. Okay, so this is a here. Once God got rejected here, then price just came back down a little bit, and then it ended up breaking above the resistance of 26.63. Okay, we got a 1 hour candle close above it, and then right after that, boom, the price just crashed, and it came back down below that resistance, and then we see this extremely bearish 1 hour candle. Okay, and then we can see the data here. Okay, NFP is positive. Non-unemployment rate is higher, so that's positive. And then the average hourly earnings also came out positive. Okay, so all these was a strong points for the US dollar. Okay, so gold had to dump. Okay, but now gold has been able to find support around 2026. Okay, the buy zone that I told you guys about yesterday as well. So between 26.23, okay, so between 26.23 here and 26.40, yeah. So 26.23 and 26.40, there's very strong support there for gold. So that's why, as we can see, even though it was dumping, it stopped dumping the moment it got to this support zone here between 26.23 and 26.40. Okay, and then we got the previous 1 hour candle actually closed bullish. So this could get the price to actually push back up, possibly to the current resistance here we have is 2661 here. So price could actually revisit that, and then we'll see what it's going to do, break it or not. Okay, but this is basically it. Okay, gold is has dumped and now it's pushing back up again. Now let's take a look at USD/JPY. Okay, I just noticed the analysis. If you took that buy from USD/JPY yesterday, from this support zone that I marked down between 145.92 and 146.30, I told you the moment we get a 1 hour bullish candlestick closing at this support, then you want to buy and then target this previous high over here, 146, and then 147.18. So you see here, the moment we got that 1 hour candle, bullish candlestick here, immediately the price started pushing higher. Okay, so I think this previous bullish, extremely bullish move has to do with the data that came out, for the US dollar. Since it was positive, the price just went ahead and broke that resistance anyway, and then pushed way higher. Okay, so that's cool. And then go in the daily time frame where the price is at now. It's now at a new resistance. Okay, so now it's approaching this resistance, 149.37. okay, so 149.37 there, it's approaching that resistance. So very high chance it's going to be able to break that resistance as well. I think once it hits it, it might get a small pullback, and then from there, it's going to be able to break it. So this pair here, USD/JPY, it's in an uptrend now. It's started an uptrend, and I think it's going to keep pushing higher. So you want to look for buying opportunities anytime the price pulls back. Okay, we had the first pullback over here, and then that one has already been cleared. So now the price is going to do a new pullback. Possibly once it hits this resistance here, it's going to do a pullback. So you can enter a buy at that pullback. Okay, so yeah, that's USD/JPY. And then what else did we look at? Bitcoin. Okay, so let's take a look at Bitcoin. I have Bitcoin here. Let's tap on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 10,000. Please double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes up. Double tap on your screen. Let me share this live on the other platform. Let's get the likes up, guys. Double tap on your screen, please. Yeah, so Bitcoin. Okay, so this is Bitcoin now. I'm still loud. So this is Bitcoin, 60,895. That's the current price. Okay, now this Bitcoin here on this 4-hour time frame is currently in a downtrend. Okay, currently in a downtrend, and then we have strong resistance at 62,003. Let's just say 400. Okay, so 62,400, we have some strong resistance there. Okay, because that's a previous lower high. And yeah, so right now we can see price is actually getting rejected. Okay, once it got to 62,000, it's currently getting rejected. So yeah, and then we have support right now around, support that the price built between 59,900 and 60,600. Price is returning to that support. So yeah, that is very critical support for Bitcoin to hold. If it breaks below, if we get a daily candle closing below 60,000, this is going to cause Bitcoin to dump all the way down to 59,000. Okay, so for Bitcoin right now, honestly, it's best if you're trying to look for any trading opportunity for a buy, best to wait for price to break above 62,000. Okay, like 62,600 for a buy. And for sells, well, right now you don't want to sell just because price is currently at support here, and unless it breaks that support, then you can sell. But for now you don't want to sell because support here will get the price to push back up. Okay, so the support is between 59,900 and 60,600. Okay, so that's for Bitcoin. You guys can see. Okay, yeah, coming back down probably to 59,000 or 60,000. There is probably coming back down there. So okay, so yeah, for Bitcoin here, like I say, it's best to wait when the price gets to either 59,900, 60,000. Then look for buy if the support holds. If not, support doesn't hold, then if you want to sell, you want to wait to see the support get broken here. Okay, we want to see candle closing, okay, an hourly or 4-hourly candle closing below 59,900. Then we can enter a sell here. Okay, 59,900. So yeah, but for now it's best to just wait. Okay, all right, so someone is asking about gold. Let's go back, see what's happening. Gold is actually what I started with, 26.50. that's the current price. We have a double bottom here printed on the 1-hour time frame, so this could actually push gold back up to 26.61. okay, so that's number one. We see on the 1-hour time frame here, we have very strong support for gold between 26.23, 26.40 there. Price was dumping. Once it hits this support zone 26.40, it actually held that support, and now we can see the market is actually bouncing back up. Okay, bouncing back up. So you want to look for buying opportunity for gold between 26.23 and 26.40. okay, for now. Okay, gold can keep pushing up as long as it remains above 26.23. Once it breaks below this support, then we can see gold revisit 2600. okay, to revisit 2600, we have some support there. 2600 is also another good area for gold to bounce up from. So that support is between 2600 and 25.50. okay, so, and then if we look at let's check the daily time frame. What is the price doing? Yeah, so on the daily time frame here, price formed a lower high here. So yeah, so right now for this lower high, okay, this is going to end the downtrend once the price breaks below 26.23. so that's the most critical level. We've been in this uptrend for quite a while, and yeah, it's very critical for this uptrend to continue. We can't see gold break below 26.23. okay, so yeah, okay, It is I have a laptop and a phone. How do I start foreign trade? Okay, if you want to start, number one, you need to um download the app MT4. Okay, register with a broker. I have two brokers that I recommend. It's listed on my TikTok bio, so just go to my TikTok bio right now, and then you'll see the link. Recommended broker number one. Number two, just sign up using the link for one of them, and then you're going to need your ID to be able to verify your identity. Okay, once you create an account. Okay, and then you can message me on TikTok or Telegram. Okay, and then yeah, so once you create an account with a broker and stuff, you need to deposit money. But since you're a beginner, I recommend starting with a demo first. Okay, a demo account is basically an account that you can use to practice trading using fake money. You'll still get exposed to the real market. It's just that the money you're trading with is not real. Okay, so yeah, so that's something you can start with. And then you're gonna need to learn how to analyze the market. You can analyze the market on a software or site called Trading View. This is basically what I'm on right now. By the way, TP1 just got hit, so congratulations, guys. If you took this trade, this buy that I posted right here, you can take profit now, or if you want to keep holding, then you want to adjust your stop loss to just adjust it to like break even or something. Okay, but yeah, take profit number one just got hit. We made about $130 from this trade. That was a pretty good setup. Okay, so I've closed that trade. Okay, I closed it at I just closed the trade now. Okay, and then we'll wait for the next buy setup. If the price returns to this zone again, we may look for another buying opportunity. Okay, we may buy. Okay, so let's see, but I think the price is going to go higher. We might not see it return. We may not see it return back to this buy zone anymore. Okay, just because I don't know, because the 1 hour time frame there is looking very bullish. So there's a chance this was just the last retest. Now the price is going to go up. We have resistance here at 26.56, 26.58 there. Price is getting to it. So now price might pull back from this resistance, and if it does, that could give us a new higher low, which we could use for our next buy. Okay, yeah, so like I was saying, I made $60. Congratulations, that's awesome. Hi, my name is For the Kids, so please remember when I text you. Thank you. Okay, sure thing. Yeah, okay, so let's see. Gold is going higher. It's approaching this resistance between 26.56, 26.58. So let's see what's gonna happen when it gets to that resistance. TP number two also just got hit. So the last TP is at 26.58, which is at this resistance here. So yeah, and that was a nice trade. So far we took one successful trade on this live. That was awesome. Can TradingView use phone? Yes, you can download TradingView on your phone. And yeah, once you download it, it's just the only bad thing about it is it's just a little bit more, a little bit more difficult to like analyze and stuff, but you can still manage. You can still manage. All right, perfect. Someone's requesting GBP USD. Okay, let me MT5 is great. I think it's better than MT4. Yeah, they're pretty similar, so you can choose whichever one you want to use. MT4. I'm using MT4, so yeah, you can download MT4 or MT5. Really doesn't matter. They're both similar. MT5 is just a more upgraded version of MT4. You only analyze gold on lower time frames. No. Whenever I analyze, I always start by analyzing the daily time frame, and then I go down to 4 hour and 1 hour. But then when I'm taking the trades here live on TikTok, I usually take those trades based on the lower time frames, like 1 minute and 5 minutes. But I still tell you guys the bigger, the overall direction market is heading on the bigger time frames. Okay, so GBP USD, let's look at it here. Start off on let's look at it here on this daily time frame. Okay, so GBP USD right now, okay, it's still above this critical support. 1.29. This is so annoying. My people. Okay. Yeah, so so GBP USD, okay, it's in this uptrend here, and then we can see our last resistance here. Okay, previous high is at 1.3433, which price actually got rejected from and then started heading down. Our previous high, which price broke above, was 32.57 there. Okay, that was supposed to act as support. As the price was coming down to it, it's supposed to provide support for the price to push back up and continue this uptrend, but unfortunately we can see the price broke right below it. Okay, it broke right through it. It didn't hold that support, and then now the last major support it has is this previous higher high at 1.30. okay, so in order for this uptrend to continue on for GBP USD here, it has to make sure it holds this support. Okay, 1.30 here. If it ends up breaking below 1.30, then we most likely will start a downtrend on this daily time frame. Okay, but for now, as long as we remain above 1.30, the uptrend could still continue. And I would say, for now you want to look for buying opportunity, but wait to see. We want to see a bullish daily candle stick closing at this support. So far we haven't gotten any. Okay, we can see the current daily candle is currently bearish. Okay, but if that candle actually turns out to be bullish and closes bullish, then that could be one sign that the price is going to push back up, okay, to retest the previous high. So until that happens, don't look for any buys. If we go to the 4 hour time frame, we did get when the price approached this support here, we could see the market did react. It bounced back up a little bit. We had resistance over here, which I told you guys price was most likely pushing up to, and then from there it was actually going to come back down again, possibly to this support zone again. And this is exactly what happened. We can see here price found support, and then it pushed all the way to 31.75. And then once it got there, boom, it started dumping right back down. Okay, so this was a resistance that was actually on. It's not on the 4 hour. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, you can't really see. There's no resistance here. The only resistance we have on the 4 hour time frame is all the way up here at 32.70. No, 32, 37, 30. 304. Okay, that's the resistance on the 4-hour. And then on the 1-hour time frame, we also don't have any resistance up until up here, the same area on the 4-hour time frame. So this is the resistance that was on the 30 minutes. Okay, so if you see the 30 minutes here, we had here a lower high than the price printed, and then after that it started dumping. Okay, so that makes that area a resistance, and this is why we can see as the price was pushing up to it, once it got rejected, it came down. Okay, it came down. So yeah, so now it's now using this support again to push higher, which is good. What we want to see is we want to see a daily candle closing bullish. Once we get that daily candle closing bullish at this support, this is going to be a good sign for us to enter a buy. But for now, let's not enter any buy. Okay, it's extremely risky. If I go on the 30-minute time frame, you know, on the 30 minute, okay, for you guys who are trying to look for quick buys, okay, I know, hey, yeah, okay, gold just hit our last target, 26.58. Amazing, check it out, y'all, check this out. Okay, not a big surprise, knew this was gonna happen, but yeah. So last take profit just got hit, but I was already out of the trade. So let's see, for those who are still holding it, congratulations, you guys are in more profit. Still holding gold. Wow, nice. Yeah, I think it's gonna keep going higher, so it's most likely going back to 26.63. If it gets rejected, we will sell. Yeah, you don't want to sell. Okay, it's very dangerous to sell if the price is showing desire to actually want to keep going higher. The best trades to take is to buy for now. Okay, so let me go back to the 1 hour. Okay, so this is the 1 hour. We can see we did get rejected at 26.63. Okay, so now the price is coming back to it. Okay, it's coming back to it. Let's see if it's going to be able to break that resistance, because it did attempt to break it, but this was a false breakout. Okay, that breakout unfortunately failed because the price ended up breaking right back down. Okay, so let me just see here. Okay, let's see here. There's a chance we could see the sell continue, okay, because of the data that came out for the US dollar. So this trade here is no longer active. I'm going to just delete it. Okay, and this buy zone is also no longer active. I'm going to delete this buy zone as well. Let's see if there's a new buy zone that the market is printing for us here. Let's just focus on what just happened. We have very strong resistance, 26.67, 26.60 there. Okay, let's mark it down here. This, okay, here we go. Oh, thank you, Mustafa, for the gift. Thank you for the roses. Appreciate it. Okay, so we have resistance here between so between 26.60 and 26.67. If gold is able to break that resistance, then it's going to go higher. Okay, but if it gets rejected at this point, then it's going to dump back down. We can look to sell. So okay, now it's approaching that resistance. I'm going to go to the lower time frames to see it's already getting rejected. Okay, so let's wait and see. We're getting our rejection. Let me see if we have any other on the 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes. Yeah. Let's see if I can mark this. Okay. And then 15, same thing. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, 3 minutes. Okay, so we have a new buy zone between 26.46 and 26.57. If the price returns here, this could be a good area to enter a buy for the continuation of this. For this uptrend, the market is starting. So between 26.46 and 26.56, that's our new buy zone. We'll see if the market is going to respect it. I'm not too sure about fair value gaps. It's not something that I use in trading. Didn't even check about those. I didn't check fair value gap or anything because I don't really trade with that concept. Alright, so we can see we're already getting rejected. We got our first rejection. Okay. If the price returns there second time and gets rejected again, that could signal an opportunity to sell. And then let me just mark where is the resistance. Okay, a good area to set your stop loss. We'll mark it down. So right here, we'll just say 26.63 would be a good area to set a stop loss if you're entering a sell at this current resistance. Well, don't enter the sell yet. We want to see the price revisit that resistance and see if it's going to get rejected again. And if it does get rejected again, then that would be a good time to enter a sell. But for now, just wait, okay? And if you do enter a sell, you want to set your stop loss above 26.63, 26.64, around there, okay? So we see the price is pushing down. Most likely going to go and revisit that resistance again, maybe form a double top before it heads down. Okay, so it's returning back to the buy zone, but it hasn't gotten rejected yet, so you can't sell. You cannot enter any sell. Okay, The price didn't get rejected yet. Let's tap on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 20,000, please. Double tap on your screen. Double tap on your screen, guys. Wow, I'm actually helping people. Okay, cool. Yeah, if you downloaded an MP4, what else? Make sure you also there's no app for that. Yeah, you need to create an account with a broker. I have 2 brokers that I recommend, use and recommend. If it's on my bio, okay, fxcc.com, and then we also have a battle. You can sign up with these brokers. Go to my bio, click the link on my bio, and open an account with either a battle or FXCC, okay? Thank you, Nigel. Thank you for the gifts. And guys, just to let you know, my trading class for October is starting very soon. October 28th is when the next trading class is starting. So if you're someone who's interested in learning more about trading, you want to dive deep into, learning how to analyze and everything, then you want to sign up for the trading class, okay? The deadline to register is on October 28th. The link is in my bio for you to fill in and register. So head over there, fill in that form, and then I will get back to you through your email within the next 24 hours or so. Okay, make sure you check your email. Okay, when you fill in the form, make sure you check your email within the next 24 hours and respond to it, please. All right. But yeah, the trading class is starting soon. Register right now. So gold, we can see once we retested it, we got rejected. Okay, very high chance now the price might come down. Okay, we could see the price actually fall, but selling honestly is very risky. Okay, it's very risky to sell just because the price has a strong desire to want to go up. Let's see. Yeah, now it's still going higher, so I wouldn't recommend selling yet. Just don't sell. Don't sell. Don't sell. Don't sell. Sell. Not yet. The price wants to keep pushing higher, right? The main target, I believe, is 26.68. Maybe once it gets to 26.68, okay, and then we get a rejection there, that could be a good area to sell, okay? But for now, let us not sell, okay? Let's just wait. You took advantage of the news this morning? No, I didn't enter any trade when the news came out. It came out when I was actually still asleep. That was like around, that's literally like around 6 a.m. my time. So yeah, I was not trading. I don't start trading until like 8 a.m. Wow, look at that. You see? USD JPY was beautiful. Did you take the buy on USD JPY? Look at that, gold is still pushing higher. Wow. Okay, cool. That's why I told you do not sell, okay? You don't want to sell when the price is showing you the strong desire to want to go up. So now it's approaching this resistance here, 26.67. Maybe we could see the price do a little bit of a pullback from there. Okay. Let's see if there's any new support. None on the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, nothing. It's still the same zone. 10 minutes, nothing there. Okay. 5 minutes, we do have something here. On the 5 minutes. I have this one here. 3 minutes. First time making 1K in seconds. Wow, congrats. Yeah, so interesting. For everybody who's just joining, welcome to the live. I hope you guys are doing great. If this is your first time joining, welcome. So what I do here, I analyze the Forex and crypto market, and I provide you guys with general information, education for the Forex and cryptocurrency market. And I also do live trading here, and the whole purpose of this live is for you guys to learn how the whole trading works, okay? And everything, it's really good for beginners, intermediate traders. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and join my free Telegram group so you can get more information for free, and also get some of my free signals that I share on the Telegram group 3 times per week. You will receive free signals with very high win rates, so you'll be able to start making some profit right away there. If you want to start trading, I recommend opening up. You need to open an account with a broker, and I have 2 brokers that I use and recommend. The first one is fxcc.com, the other one is abado.com. I have the links to these brokers on my bio. Okay, so all you got to do right now is go to my bio right now, click those links, recommended broker number 1 or recommended broker number 2, and open an account right away. Once you open an account, then you can start trading. Okay, before you start trading, if you are a beginner, if you're like completely new, you have zero knowledge and everything, you want to open a demo account. Okay, open a demo account on abado.com or with the broker FXCC. For FXCC, you'll need to download the trading platform MT4. Okay, you need to download MT4 so you can be able to trade with the broker FXCC. And just create a demo account on MT4 there. If you don't know how to open a demo account, you can just go on YouTube and search how to open a demo account on MT4. I'm sure there's a lot of videos out there that will guide you on how to do that. Okay, how much is the minimum money I need to do the beginners trading? Beginners trading. So there's no specific minimum amount required. Okay, it all depends on you. How much is it you're willing to risk and lose? Okay, how much money is it that you're comfortable losing just in case the price goes against you? So yeah, you can literally start with any amount. Okay, but the thing is, the amount that you start with will determine how much profit you can actually make. Okay, so if you start with a lower amount, you make money but just not that much. If you start with a higher amount, and a higher amount, I'm talking like 1K, so like 1,000 US. Okay, 1,000 US, you can make some pretty good amount with that capital. But if you're starting with something below that, you'll make some, but hey, it will take some time. Okay, so but I recommend minimum, if you're going to start with the lowest, start with 100. Okay, $100, you can start with that. And if you start with 100, make sure you trade with, use 0.01 lot size. Okay, don't use anything more than 0.01, because with that $100 account, you don't want to risk too much. Okay, because your account can easily blow if you use a higher lot size. So use 0.01, which actually stands for 10 cents per pip. For every pips that the market makes, you will be earning 10 cents from that. Okay, how much should I start? I started with, many different amounts. I believe the lowest I started with was 100, and then of course I blew it and then kept adding some money. But yeah, that's how it is. That's how the journey starts. But I started with like $100, and this was a long time ago. Okay, so we can see, let me go back to let's go to the 1 minute. Price is now at 26.67 there. But guess what? It didn't get rejected yet. Okay, we actually didn't get rejected, so we cannot enter any sales at this moment. Okay, we can't enter any sales at this moment. Okay, if the price is able to break this resistance, let's go and see where it's heading next. Okay, we need to go to the 1 hour to determine that. You can see we have a resistance here. Okay, 26.73 is where our next resistance is going to be at. If the price breaks above this current resistance, then we're going to go high. But I think this could be a good area to sell, okay? Because this seems to be a very strong resistance, and this is the first time the market is retesting this resistance. Yeah, it is the first time. So whenever it's the first time the market is retesting as a resistance, usually it will pull back from that, okay? And if you're going to enter sell here, let's just determine best area to set your stop loss. Let's see. So we have this next resistance. So 26.73, I would say maybe even 74. Okay, 74, you can set your stop loss there for this sell. Price already got rejected the first time here. Okay, so I think it's about time that the market comes down. It is about time. Let's wait. We got the first rejection. Let's see if this next candle can be a rejection as well. Okay, if it is a rejection, you can go ahead and enter a sell. 5 minutes, we have no support. Okay, it's already coming down. 2 minutes, nothing. You can target 26.65 or 60.64. Okay, that's an area price to pull down, but I think it's about time. It's going to pull down. It has to. If it breaks it, it'll probably be a false breakout, and then it will end up coming back down. Let's see. Oh wow, okay. Breaking it, it might be a false breakout. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna be a false breakout or not. Let's see. It might be a false breakout. Wow. Wow. Yeah. I guess it wants to keep going higher, so yeah. Let it do its thing. Look at this. This is the 30 minutes. So if it didn't respect this resistance, okay, this 26.67 didn't respect it, and now it's heading to 26.73. Imagine we buy to up there. Yeah, that would have been nice profits. Fine. It was not like, it's better to take profit out along the way because nothing is guaranteed in trading. Sometimes you think, oh, price is gonna go higher, but then boom, that's when it goes against you. So once you make small profits, just close your account, okay? Close and wait for the next setup. Okay, so look, it broke above it, but I told you this might be a false breakout. Price is most likely going to dump back down, okay? It has to, because I mean, usually the price doesn't just continue pushing up like this, okay? It has all this liquidity that it needs to clear out, okay? We have all this that the price needs to clear out. Okay, you see it's coming down, and then we have some at the bottom here which it needs to clear out. So yeah, now it's coming down. Wow, okay, perfect. So since we're coming down here, I want to see the price go back up and then maybe get rejected again, or to activate a sell. Okay, so I want to see it either go back up from a lower high for us to activate a sell. Let's tap on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes to let's get the likes up, guys, to 30,000, please. Let's tap on our screen. Welcome to everybody who's just joining. Hope you guys are doing great. This is your first time joining, welcome. What we do here on this live is analyze the Forex and the cryptocurrency market. We also take some live trades here. And the purpose of this live is to provide you guys with general education on the Forex and cryptocurrency market. Feel free to ask any questions you have as a beginner. If there's something you don't understand about trading, just ask in the comment section, okay? And make sure you follow me on TikTok. Join my free Telegram group here, okay? The link is in my bio. Just go there, you'll see the link to join it, okay? It's free. You'll be getting some free signals there at least 3 times per week minimum. You get a maximum, you get a free signal there. And then yeah, just a lot more cool things that'll just help you to improve your trading psychology, improve your trading and all that. Make sure you also open a trading account with my recommended broker. The link is in my bio. We have FXCC and Abado.com. This is what you're going to need in order to start trading. You need to open an account with a broker, and you need to have a trading platform downloaded on your phone. We have a lot of trading platforms out there, but the most popular one is MetaTrader 4, MT4. So just go to the App Store and search for MT4, and then just open a demo account and start practicing trading. Some things that you're going to learn, some things you need to learn about trading, okay, for you to actually be able to start trading. You need to learn how to analyze the market, okay? You need to learn how to analyze the market so that you can predict whether the price is going to go up or down, because that's basically it, okay? That's how you can make profit, is if you can effectively predict whether the price is going to go up or down, then you can start making money like that, okay? There's a lot of resources available for you to actually learn technical analysis. You can join my trading class, which I'll be starting in October 28th. You can register for that. There's a link on my bio. Go there and fill the form that says trading class, okay? So price is getting rejected here again, so this could activate a sell. Let me write it down. Sell, okay, and then TP, let's say 26.64, but the price is already there. Oh my goodness, that was too quick. Okay, let's wait for a pullback. Let's see if the price is going to pull back. If it pulls back up again, we can target 26.64. Okay. So that will be the first TP, but let's wait for the price to pull back up again. Okay. TP number 1, 26.64. $26.60, okay, $26.61, make sure you applying proper risk management, okay? 26.58. Did it pull back up? Yeah, it did. So I hope you guys enter that sell because it already hit the first TP. That was very quick, okay? Market is extremely volatile right now. And the stop loss is at 26.74. Yeah, it's already dumping, okay? So it has already cleared out all this liquidity here. So now it's heading to the next liquidity, which is down over here. So once it clears that out, then it's going to most likely continue pushing higher. Our buy zone here still remains intact between 26.46 and 26.56. Once the price arrives there and it holds that, we can look for buying opportunity there, okay? Yeah, so you hit the first take profit. That was very quick. If you didn't get the chance to catch that sell for the TP of wow, it even went all the way down to almost the second TP. Okay, so if you didn't get the chance to enter this sell, Just wait for the pullback, because I do believe the price might continue to go down all the way to 26.58. So you can just re-enter when the price does a pullback again to 26.66, 26.57 there. You can just re-enter, okay? Because price can revisit the take profit multiple times, okay? In case you guys didn't know, okay, it can revisit our take profit target multiple times, at least like 2-3 times and all that. So you can always just re-enter when it returns back to the entry. And then the stop loss still remains the same, 26.74. So as I was saying, for beginners, there's a lot of resources available. You can join my trading class, which is a place where I can teach you everything regarding trading step by step, from how to analyze the market, how to open a trading account, and I also share my strategy that I use here, which is extremely powerful and effective. All those things you'll learn in the trading class. There's also YouTube. There's a lot of information out there on YouTube that you can actually use to start learning how to analyze the market and all that, okay? But just be careful with YouTube. It's just overpopulated with so much information, so sometimes it can be very confusing, So just be careful. What you want to focus on, search how to I'll give you some of the topics you need to research, okay? Learn about market structure. Learn about uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trends. How to identify when the market is in an uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trends, and how to trade in this trend. Okay. Learn about support and resistance. What is support and resistance, and how can you trade with support and resistance? Okay. Learn about a few chart patterns like double top, double bottom. Okay, those are the two most important chart patterns to learn. And then what else? So for Forex, you need to understand what lot size is. Okay, research lot size and understand what pips are. Okay, how to calculate pips and all that. Another one, trading psychology. I mean, this one is something that you can start getting information about in the beginning. It's actually a good idea. So research trading psychology, risk management. So those are all topics that you need to know and become familiar with, okay? Just so in the beginning, you might not really understand it right off the bat, but eventually you will. It's going to start to click. Okay? It's going to start to click in. So anyways, I hope you guys are making some profit from this sell. I know it was a very quick one because the moment price got rejected, boom, the price just went down, okay? But this one was a pretty obvious, okay? Every time the price is pushing up like that, as it is creating liquidities, okay? Or especially on the lower time frames, like 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, like that. These are all liquidities that price created as it was going up. So eventually the price has to come down and clear out all this liquidity that it created. So this is why we can see prices coming down. Now, in order for the price to come down to clear out all this liquidity, it needs to hit a resistance, okay? This is it for the price to come down. For a sell, it needs to hit the support for it to go and clear out all the liquidity that's at the top. So once the price hit this resistance, that was the major 26.67 major resistance there, and this is the first time. It's even more powerful if the price is revisiting that resistance the first time. Usually first time always price is going to go if it's the first time that the price is revisiting that resistance, usually that is a very high chance that the market is actually going to get rejected from then. So that's why we entered a sell, because we had resistance here on the 1 hour time frame, 26.67. We know it's a resistance because price came up here, and then after this upward movement, after this green candlestick, the next candlestick was bearish. So that forms the resistance on the 1 hour time frame. So now the price, when it comes back to revisit it the second time, it will get rejected, and that's what we saw. Okay, so that's basically why we entered a sell. Now, for us to enter a sell, we didn't just enter a sell right away. We had to wait for confirmation that the market is actually going to sell. We waited for confirmation. We did get first confirmation here. We got rejected, but then after this rejection, price went up higher. And after this higher movement, we got rejected. Price actually broke. It broke our resistance here. Okay, it broke it on the 1 minute time frame, but this was most likely a false breakout. Okay, a false breakout. So we had to wait. We needed to wait for more confirmation that price is going to sell. So now we can see the next candle was bearish. After this, we broke back inside. So this was a good sign that we're most likely heading down. Now for us to enter the trade, we want to see the price go back and revisit that resistance again. And if it does get rejected again, then finally we can enter a sell. Okay, so that was essentially why we entered. Okay, why we entered the sell. Okay, this one was a strong confirmation to sell. This was the first confirmation to sell. Okay, so yeah, and then for our take profit, all we did, okay, so we set take profit at this is gold, by the way. Someone is asking, by the way, I just noticed the price just hit the second TP, it hit the third TP. I mean, almost. It hasn't hit it fully. Actually, it did. It got to 26.58, so it pretty much hit all the TP. So if you took that trade, congratulations, that was amazing. Okay, that was amazing. By the way, guys, I just want to let you guys know, please be aware that there's a lot of like false TikTok accounts people are creating under my name to use it to scam others. So just be careful. If you receive any message from somebody that has a TikTok account that looks like mine and all that, just know that it is not me. Okay, because I will never send you a message first. Okay, you have to be the one that messages me first. So if you get any message from anybody messaging you, asking you for money and all that, it is not me. It is most likely a scam. I only shouldn't be mentioning that word on TikTok just because TikTok is very, does not like all those words. I only have one TikTok account, and this is it. This is my one and only TikTok account, and the links to all my social media platforms, such as my trading, my Telegram group, my YouTube channel, and everything, it is on my bio. Okay, I don't have a WhatsApp group and Discord group. I don't have none of that. Okay, all the links to my social media is on my bio, so go to my bio right now and check it. Make sure you are in the right Telegram group. Okay, make sure you are in the right Telegram group. There's a lot of Telegram groups right now that's using my name to SCAM people and all that. So just be careful. Okay, just be careful. I just have to keep telling you guys, there's really nothing I can do. This is the reality when you are a Forex trader or any social media influencer. People would tend to want to use you to to cause other people to fall. So just be careful out there. Okay, don't fall for it. And it's not just me that these useless people use. Okay, they use other people as well. A lot of social media influencers who have a lot of followings, they will use them, especially in this industry, the Forex and crypto industry. It is filled with a lot of SCAM people. Okay, all right, so let me delete this cell. It's no longer active. Okay, deleting this. Right now gold is back at 26.58. Yo, you guys are asking me, should we buy? Well, this is gonna be like, if we buy now, this is gonna be the third trade. Let me ask you guys in the comment, who took the sell that we just took right now? Who took it? Let me know in the comment section. Who took the sell? If you took the sell, just say I took it. Just say me or something. I did. I didn't. Nigel took it. Trademo took it. Wow, Sophia took it. Jill took it. Bento took it. Oh, sorry, Melchizedek. Sorry, there's gonna be another one. Viralbot took it. Gracie on YT took it. Musha took it. Wow, okay. That's awesome. I'm proud of you guys. You'll make some good money. Okay, maybe we'll take one more trade and then we'll call it a day. We'll see. So prices wow, a lot of people took the trade. That's awesome. Good to see you're making money. Okay, so let's see. Price is now revisiting this buy zone here. It's between 26.46 and 26.56 there. Okay, so let's wait for confirmation that that support is actually gonna hold. We just tapped into it right now, but we haven't had any confirmation that the support is holding. So let's just be patient a little bit. Okay, let's just be patient a little bit. I'm gonna just go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what the 1 hour is looking like. Okay, 1 hour is actually not looking very good. Okay, we're getting rejected. So yeah, that's not good. Let's check the 30 minutes. Oh wow, okay, 30 minutes, really horrible rejection. This is actually not good. This could actually get the price to actually start going way down. Okay, but that's fine. Okay, we're gonna just enter a quick stop. So I'm gonna head back down to the 1 minute. We're waiting for that confirmation. We haven't gotten it yet, so let's just be patient here. And if we do enter this trade, SL, let me just mark it down. Will have to be 26.49. Okay, 26.49 there for the SL. Okay, let's go back down. Okay, one minute time frame. We're about to find support. Let's give it time. Let's give it time. Okay. Okay, the support didn't get found. Okay, so you just have to keep waiting. Okay, let's keep tapping. Okay. How does the news affect your analysis? Well, it affects my analysis in many different ways. Okay. Usually when the news comes out, yeah, there's manipulations that will happen. So market tends to not really respect market structure or any sort of analysis. Okay, that's how it affects it. That's why I sort of like don't trade the news. We just stay out of the market until the market cools down. Okay, so 1 minute time frame, we didn't get that confirmation that the price is holding the support, so we cannot enter a buy. One of the 1 minute. Okay, so we got the first confirmation that support is holding. We can open a small buy. Okay, target 26.59 for take profit. This one is going to be very quick. Okay, 26.59 as you take profit. This one is going to be a quick buy, but this is our first confirmation here. And then the stop loss is at 26.49. Okay, yeah, it's very quick. Price got to 26.57. Okay. And so guys, this trade not looking very good. Okay, so I have an open stop loss. We have 26. Last support for the market is around 26.46. So the trade is still active, unless that support is broken. Okay. So now, since the price dropped this low here, okay, if it ends up returning back to the entry, which was 26.55, you know, I would recommend closing the position. Okay, I would recommend closing the position because there's a chance we could actually head back lower, head down lower. Okay. The name of the broker is on my bio. It's just go to my TikTok bio right now and you'll see it. Gold is pranking us, right? It's like it is at the support. It's like it wants to go up, but then at the same time, it's trying to go down. So the last support is 26.46. Okay. Still in the buy, waiting for the price to return back to entry to close the trade, as long as we don't break below 26.46 there. Yeah, this setup was a little bit more dangerous because the 30 minutes time frame closed bearish. We have a double top on the 30-minute time frame. This is why the sellers are sort of like having control. They want to bring the price down, and they're probably going to be able to because of how the 30 minutes time frame closed. We got a very strong it's most likely going to head down lower. So yeah, we just need to pull back to close the trade. Yes, start saying your prayers, eh? Pray for the market to go back to the entry. Start saying your prayers. You guys still have faith, okay? Have some faith that the market is gonna return. Don't lose faith. At this point, the only thing we have is faith, prayer. I die, yes. Exactly. And that one was very risky trade. We should have just called it a day after the second successful trade. This is how trading can really get you sometimes, you know. You will make good trades, and then that one trade will just finish all the nice trades that you took earlier. So this is how trading really can really mess you up. Does prayers work and trading? Yeah, for sure it does. It does. One trade a day keeps doctors away. Um, how do you manage your psychology? Yeah. I meditate and pray. That's how I manage my psychology. Eh? Oh my goodness, T, why? Why did you go full margin, man? I told you to manage your risk properly. I told you guys, hey, why would you go full margin? Why would you do that? This is this was helping. We don't want to risk too much. Hey, you were good. Now you are down 2K. Wow, I'm very sorry. Like, hey, Lord have mercy, oh Lord have mercy. Um, are you still in the trade or did you get out? Are you still in the trade or did you get out? Hey, you got stopped out. Oh my god. Ah. Hmm. Okay, guys. Let me just letting you know, okay? The trades that we take live on this TikTok, okay? The stop loss is an open stop loss, which means that you will close the trade manually, okay? Don't set a stop loss so that you get stopped out and stuff, because sometimes we can basically like work around it. Okay, the stop loss can get changed and all that. So that's why it's an open stop loss. Don't set it up manually. Sorry for the loss, man. Take it easy. You will recover for sure. Okay. Next time, just don't set the stop loss automatically. Just have it open. Okay. Especially if you are taking the trade from the live, just have the stop loss manually. Okay. And then, yeah. Okay. Okay. So I'm very sorry for the loss, but take it easy. It's gonna be all right. Okay. You'll make it back. Okay. I'll see how I can help you out with that, because I know you're part of the trading class and all that. So this is unfortunate, but you'll make it back. Okay. Do not worry. Things just turned out bad, unfortunately. But yeah, stay strong. Don't give up. Trading sometimes can be very depressing, eh? Can be very depressing sometimes. Yeah, interesting. It's only interesting when you're winning. Wow, T, you're still here. Oh, you're saying bye. Okay, yeah, see you. Have a good weekend. So it's TP still 57. If the price gets back to 26.56, that was basically our entry. I recommend closing it because that's just price giving us the price returning to our entry is just the price giving us the chance to get out at zero loss. That's just what it means, okay? Because it's not supposed to go all the way down to our where our stop loss was at. So for it to have done that, it's returning back now, it's pulling back, and then it's most likely going to continue that downward movement unless it breaks above 26.59, then it will go higher. I'm checking Bitcoin. It's does not look like it's gonna sell. It looks like it's going to 62,300. See you guys. Price is almost at our entry. So thank God. This is gold. You can see there gold. The price is almost returning to our entry, so thank God. I'm already starting to close some position right now because the loss has been decreased. Before the loss was really huge. Now it's lower, so I'm closing some position now. And then if the price keeps going up more, that would be good. At 7,000 profit. 7,000. Where did you enter? Where was your entry? 26.48. Okay, that's good. Yeah, you bought at a good price. This entire zone, 26.46. 26.56 is a buy. So that's where we can see price is buying, even as it drops lower and lower. So last is this one, 26. So guys, yeah, we're gonna call it a day now. If you're still in the trade, you know, if you want to keep holding until price returns here, you can. Okay, not 100% sure if that's gonna happen, because checking the bigger time frames, the price is bearish now. Okay, it's bearish since we got rejected. Oh, even the previous, wow, even the previous daily candle actually closed bearish. Okay, that's actually a sell for gold, guys. That's actually a sell. I think the price is gonna sell. So look for selling opportunity. Okay, let me check the 1 hour time frame once more. Okay. Because now this is our resistance right here. Let's see, 1 hour. This is how the market closed on the 1 hour time frame. You see? Okay. The last candle we went all the way up to 26.70 and we got rejected. Okay, so this is not looking good. I think the price is going to be going back down to 26.40. Okay, back to our support, major support between 26.40 and 26.23 there. Price is most likely heading down there because of the 1 hour candle closing extremely bearish there. So yeah, so now strong resistance is now 26.70. Okay, so look to sell. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame. Any major resistance level there for the price to potentially pull back down to the 30 minutes. You ain't got nothing there. Nothing in 15. 10 minutes, nope. 5 minutes, no. Okay, so 26.58 now is the current level market could retest to before it continue heading back down lower. Okay, so you can look for sells around 26.58, number one. Another area would be if the price returns back to this level. Okay, 26.62 could be another good area for a sell. Okay, so right here. But yeah, for now you want to look for sells because we are bearish. Okay, with that being said, guys, we're going to call it a day. Thank you for joining today's live. I hope you guys enjoyed and found some value out of it. I come live Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, twice per day. First time is around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Second time is around 10 p.m. Eastern time. Except on Friday, I don't come live in the evening. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great and lovely weekend. Make sure you use the weekend to do back testing. Just learn more about trading so that the next week that starts you'll be more prepared and everything. Okay, review your trades and stuff, and yeah, have an amazing weekend, guys. See you next week. Take care. Make sure you join the Telegram group, by the way. If you're not in it, join it right now. Link is in the bio. Deadline to register for October trading class is October 26th. Register if you're not yet registered. Okay, see you guys. Take care. Bye. And those of you on YouTube, thank you for watching. Please make sure you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you join the Telegram group, okay? The link to the Telegram group is below the description of this live here. Thank you so much, guys. Have an amazing weekend. I'll see you next week.